you doing? Do it again. Do it again.
You're hiding? Yep.
Here, I'll get you from the frontal.
Took it.
Here, do it again. Up on the bike. Are you going to show us any more stunts?
Yeah.
Do another stunt? Another trick move? Three. Here she goes, folks. And she's up. And down. One. Two. Three. What's those sound effects all about? Evel Knievel up on the wheel. One, two.
Oh my God. That's the sun right there.
Three. Whoa, it's a little high for you. Oh, are you okay? Move it down. She's oh, I think I need to come to the rescue. It's okay. Here we go. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, hug. We'll be back later.